Hi everybody, I have prepared an activity for you today to talk to the children and teach them about patterns, numbers, colours, and I have used some of their favourite things, Lego blocks and cars. So for my first activity I've made my own laminated pattern card, which mummy can do at home. It's quite therapeutic to do a little bit of colouring if you have the time for it. We start with a simple pattern, so just two colours, and the children, you can help them just understand how to build it, and you can just demonstrate the first time round. There's the first model, and then you can move on to something a little bit more complex, so using a different pattern, two colours and two colours. So start a new one here, two and two, and while they're doing it, encourage them to talk about the colours, mention the colours, and ask them what their favourite colours are. Can you think of something else that's red? Can you point to something else that's red or yellow in the room? So it's quite an engaging and fun activity to do. And then depending on how they get on, you can offer a more complex model, like you can introduce three colours next. You can introduce two shades of colours, light and dark, of anything you've got. And if you feel like they're really mastering it and having a good time with it, you can go ahead and maybe introduce 4, 5 colours. You can do it however you like, and if you feel that they're engaged, then obviously they'll let you know. Now another extension to this activity could be to talk about numbers. So you could say, you could put, for example, 1 yellow brick followed by 2 yellow bricks, followed by 3 of a different colour, and then you could ask the child to match something else of their belongings, or you could bring them some pom-poms or any coloured objects or fruits of these colours. Here I've got some cars today, so they'll have to do some counting. So this is 1 block, so they'll have to put 1 car next to it. The next one is 2, so they'll have to go round and have a look and find 2 objects that are the same colour, and so on and so on. My next one is red, and so on. So you could extend this activity in various ways, and you could do a little scavenger hunt around the house, have them come up to the kitchen and up to their bedroom, look around for objects of the same colour, and meanwhile you are talking about how many, so you help them count first, 1, 2, 3, and then they match up and they count as they put the objects down, 1, 2, 3, and so on. I hope you've enjoyed today's activity. See you soon.